So today we're making s'more cake, whatever that's called. I found a video on YouTube and decided I might try it. So yeah, this is my first time making it and I don't know exactly what to do. So I'm gonna put this down like this. Hopefully you can see. Yes, you can. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so flour. We're gonna have 1/4 cup of flour. I'll try adding this in the description box, all the measurements. Yeah, I got flour all over my finger. Next, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, 1. I'm going to call this a Christmas treat. It's more of like, yeah, it could be a Christmas treat. I'm going to call it a Christmas treat. 3. Okay. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, so use baking cocoa. Yeah, I got it all over my fingers. Next is baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Is that all the way? Okay, so and my sister's put right behind me. So 1/4. Wait for her to stop, that way you can actually hear me. And then a dash of salt. So actually, wait, I have something for this. Okay, so my mom for Christmas last year got these measuring spoons, and it says dash, tad, pinch, smidgen, and drop. So I'm just gonna use the dash one. These are amazing. Mom, I'm using your Christmas present. This was last year, so. There. And now we're just going to whisk that. There's stuff on the sides. Okay. And then, once we've done that, Next we're going to do milk, which we need 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. I'm gonna pour this over the sink. Rinse that out real quick. I don't know how far you can see. Oh wait, I'm gonna check. Okay, you can see that. Oh wait, you can't actually see the cup. There. So you didn't see any of the other things, but you can probably see now. You're gonna add oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just gonna use. I'm gonna guess this is canola oil. I don't know. We apparently tore off the packaging. Don't know why. And a splash of vanilla, which I'm just going to take a guess on. So I can't open it. My hands are slippery. What the? Oh! Okay, I can't get this one. Let's get the other one. Nope, there is no other wire. All right. Can you open this? Okay. Add a splash. Just a little bit. And then after that, we mix. Oh wait, gotta keep it back here. So we're trying to make a cake. I can't use this whisk. Anyway, it's like a microwave cake. It's a microwave cake. So let's test it. Okay, that's pretty good. It's just the batter, by the way. We still have to do the rest. And I know my area is pretty dirty, but I'm going with it. I'm going with it. Okay. Now we're just gonna add some chocolate chips. How many chocolate chips you add is up to you. The recipe says 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I'm just gonna put in how many I think I should do. Collected. These are the okay, we're recording.
I'm not doing it. It looks like butterbeer
Okay.
from Universal in Harry Potter world.
Yep. Okay.
Just has white on top.
After cooking it for a minute, this is what we have. Okay, now we top with more marshmallows and more chocolate chips. I'm not gonna smash. These are still semi-sweet. And then the rest of the graham cracker. My sister is playing with my mom outside in a way. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh wait, gotta keep it back here. Okay. Okay, so let's try this masterpiece of cake. I can't tell if that's fully baked or not. All right. Shh. Okay. Let's move the camera back up to me. We're going down. This is what it looks like. This is my bite. You have some more chocolate chip. Okay. Hot.
Is it hot? Let me try.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
It's not hot. Oh, that is hot.
It was really good though. You have to actually get the cake.
But I don't like s'mores. Oh no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Your fault.
Okay. So,
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, 8.5.
So 8.5.
Why? Because it's very chocolatey. Like, if
It's
It's-
so full of chocolate.
also, I'm gonna get a stomach ache from this. Because I put a lot of milk in it. That's what the recipe called for. But, it was very good. And I totally suggest you buying it. Making it, not buying it. You don't buy this. Okay, so hopefully you got most of what we cook. I'll add the recipe in the description, like the measurements and everything, so you can make it yourself. Yeah, super easy, really yummy. Bye guys.